I worked my whole life for this one. Another one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to achieve these brows without having to pluck or thread or do anything to your brows. I'm using the H&E brow pomade, and I'm just following the natural line of my eyebrow underneath. So I'm just drawing a straight line across, and I drag it slightly beyond where my brows stop. And I repeat the same thing for the top. Notice how I'm not starting off at the beginning of my brows. I start midway and then take it gradually from there, like move it more to the front. If you understand what I mean. Guys, forgive my red face and puffy eyes. I literally just got up from bed to make this video. So now I'm just filling my brows, covering up the spaces, just to give it a seamless look. You want to go lightly when you're doing the inner part of your brows, if I may call it that, so that you don't have a block for eyebrows. Another tip is when you're filling your brows, you want to do it in hair-like strokes, a bit at a time. So I'm just repeating the same step on the other brows. I'll speed it up a bit.
Nonso on the beat. My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps one in her man. Baby girl, I know what I did. You ain't gotta run, yeah.
I'm taking a spoolie and brushing up my brows just to blend in the products better. After that, I'm going in with another liner. It's the FBC 2-in-1 liner. All products I use will be fully listed in the description box below. I'm just using this liner now to darken my brows, because if you notice, the brow pomade I used earlier was a bit lighter. I have really dark brows, black brows even. So I'm just taking it and filling it to darken it, make it look like everything grew out of my face. Now I'm repeating it on the other side as usual. That's the 2-in-1 line I mentioned earlier. Go back. And I'm going to use the Zaron stick concealer to clean up my brows. And to do this, I just draw a line not so close to my brow line, and then I use a flat, here I'm using, you can use any flat brush actually, but here I'm using a flat synthetic Costa Scent brush to clean it up. So then I'm going to use whatever's left on the brush to clean up the top part of my brow, because I don't want it to be heavily lined with concealer. And then I just go ahead and repeat the same step on the other side. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong when I know that you gon' come for me. Never gonna not hit by your love and it's just too. So after this, I just clean up my brows well, blend everything, remove that ego connection, create a demarcation of my brows, and brush it up again with a spoolie. So that's basically it for this video, guys. As you can see at the beginning of the video, my brows were much scattered and untamed, but now they're looking neat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video with a complete eye look. Bye.
If you don't get money, hide your face. You can call me